Hello friends, the title of the video is Offset Carbon Trading. A carbon offset is a reduction in emission of CO2 or other greenhouse gases in order to compensate for emission made elsewhere. Offset may be cheaper or more convenient alternative to reducing one's own fossil fuel consumption. This led to the emergence of certified emission reduction market, that is CER market. Certified emission reduction are a type of emission unit or carbon credit issued by Clean Development Mechanism under the rule of Kyoto Protocol. In countries like India, greenhouse gases emission is much below the target fixed by Kyoto Protocol, and so they are excluded from the reduction of greenhouse gas emission. On the contrary, India are entitled to sell surplus carbon credit to developed countries. It is here that trading takes place. The foreign companies who cannot fulfill the Kyoto Protocol norms can buy the surplus credit from companies in other countries through the trading. Thus, the stage is set for credit emission reduction trade to flourish. India is considered as the largest beneficiaries, claiming about 31% of the total world carbon trade through the Clean Development Mechanism. The trading takes place on two stock exchanges. The first is Chicago Climate Exchange and the second is European Climate Exchange. Carbon credit can take place in the open market as well. In the last decade, the prices of certified carbon credit collapsed. In 2008, prices for certified emission reductions were $20 a ton. By 2012, prices of certified emission reduction had collapsed to $5 per ton. This was in response to the Eurozone debt crisis, reducing industrial activity. Similarly, the competition started to develop among the developing countries to earn certified emission reduction and sell it in higher rate to the developed countries. So, there was flooding of CER, which could not be completely consumed by the developed countries. So, again this led to sharp decline in the prices of certified emission reduction. Similarly, many companies made huge capital investment in carbon industry and started to issue bogus or fake carbon trading certificates. All this combined led to decline in the prices of carbon certificates from $20 in 2008 to $0.4 in 2018. To conclude, the offset carbon trading could not take off successfully because of not having proper established system. Thank you for watching my video.